Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manu Issue ACCA classes, and in today's video I will discuss the relevant cost of material. I must say by the end of this video you will be able to solve the question related to the relevant costing of material 1 very easily. Trust me. And I have also solved a few questions related to the same. I will put the link of the video in the description box of this video, or the same link will be blinked over your screen. You can access the video where I have solved the question through that link. And if you are a first time viewer watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. In case you have already subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So in today's video, I will discuss what will be the relevant cost in case of material. Suppose in question they have said that they are going to take one of the project where they will require a few material, blah blah blah, right? So in that case, how we will identify what would be the relevant cost related to the material? So first and foremost, what we need to do is we need to check it out whether the material which we required for the new project or the special contract, is it in the stock or is it is out of stock. That means whether we are having this material in the inventory or we need to purchase it out, right? So in case we need to purchase it out, means we don't have that material in our inventory. In that case, your relevant cost will be your current purchasing price. That's fine. And in case if the material is in the stock, in that case you need to identify whether those material is regular use and will be replaced easily, or just a second here, there is some mistake. This will not be replaced. Yeah, now fine. So in case the material is it in the stock, we need to identify whether the material is in the regular use and can be replaced easily, or what you need to identify whether it is we will not able to replace the same. So in case it is in the regular use and can be replaced easily, in that case the relevant cost will be your current purchase price again. But in case it can't be replaced, in that case relevant cost will be the opportunity cost. That means your scrap value or the lost contribution if you will use the material in those project or the contract. And one more thing that you need to consider is there is any alternative use for the material? If no, in that case the relevant cost will be the scrap value, or we can say disposal value. And if yes, we have a alternative use of those material, in that case relevant costing will be the higher of value in other use or the scrap value. So these are the whole summary, and I think after having a good grip over this concept, you will be able to solve any question related to the relevant cost of material. Trust me. I hope this video is useful. So for more video like this, please subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a good day.